friends, today's the day I'm gonna make my first slime with colored glue, and activator. Elmer's glue, Elmer's activator. You just have to take off. You have to pour all the contents. The glue. Is this one? Pour all the slime inside. Pour all the glue inside. And the activator. And time to mix. Until it's... Oh, I see some slime already. Uh-oh. This slime. Me and my mom made this slime. So let me show you my mom.
No!
That's not great.
No.
My mom has no face.
No, I don't want to show my face in your vlog. No, I don't want.
You have to show you.
I don't want to show my face. You just vlog on your own. Don't include me. I don't like it. I'm not a vlogger. No.
Oh, you're a vlogger. You're an editor too.
I'm an editor. I'm not a vlogger. You're the vlogger.
Show your face.
No, don't show my face, bro.
Oh, my mom doesn't want to show my face. She's very
Let's go na. Let's go na.
I'll show you
No.
my face. This is my drawing. And this is Mom's lesson. That's Mom's lesson. And look, that's my collection. I have some new ones there. I'm doing that one tomorrow. Then that's my slime. Those are my bakings. Do you see that line one? It has a metal. Because it's the oldest one that lasts on the wall. See? This is my mom.
No, Leah, I don't want to be in your vlog. What's wrong with you?
Funny, right?
Not funny.
It's funny. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Be brave, stay well. See you on our next adventure.